Yo, do you want to do this Microsoft thing?
Okay, cool. Let me set up the call. I'll send you the link.
Are we rolling? So are we rolling with the sound?
Yes.
Literally, like, I'm Warren and I'm the bean counter for Sugar Ray. Like, simple as that.
I'm a drummer, and they gave me a job, and now I play drums for Sugar Ray Leonard. How SRL started, right? So I quit my job, and then I gave my friend a call, Warren, and my first words were, "I'm officially unemployed, and I'm starting an agency. Do you know anyone that will join?" And Warren's response was, "No, but I do have 50 Rand to start the business account."
You know, I think the intention was always to be forward-looking in our approach, and we realized that traditional agency, the model was dead. But we didn't quite know or couldn't put our finger on what the new world was going to look like. And we agreed, or we decided to take the approach that we're going to put our faith in the youth, that, you know, we'll give them a platform to do what they do. They're the guys that are going to come up with the solutions to future-face problems. So
It was really important for us to create a platform where creatives can not only express their creativity, but also their opinions, and use their opinions and their creativity to change the opinions of others. In an attempt to create this elusive agency of the future, I mean, the most logical thing would be to use the creatives of the future, the millennials.
That's a deliberate pause so you can cut there. Gen Z. Where's Gen Z?
Where's Gen Z? I don't know these things.
Gen Z is the one after millennials. So we are millennials and Gen Z.
the biggest adjustment for us as we grew this business was around ways of work and how we kind of set the team up for success. So traditional business, you get an office, you put some desks in it, you get computers for everyone, and everyone just does their thing. But with millennials, the way they work, the times they work, everything is different. So we've had to set up our business from the ground up to make sure that we capture the magic when the magic happens. We can't force it.
Warren probably said things like disrupt, collaborate, and change.
We've got to create the environment that is conducive for magic to happen all the time, or as far as possible, and be able to capture that magic and apply it to what we need to do for our clients.
And these are the things that go into creating the agency of the future.
The immediate pros would be completely unique and novel insights into traditional problems. So if you've been doing something a certain way for the last 10 years, millennials don't have that 10 years worth of baggage. They can look with a brand new, fresh set of eyes on a problem and come up with a whole new possibility of solutions. That would be the number one pro.
We're already a remote office. We know how to mobilize ourselves very quickly, huddle around a problem, and then solve that problem.
You need to rethink of it completely from the ground up. We understand the problem, we develop the solution, and we build beautiful executions to get that solution across to our clients.
I feel like that's quite an important thing. In trying to create the agency of the future, it made absolute sense for us to employ what we call the new workforce. And the new workforce consists of millennials. This entire agency is owned and run by millennials. It makes no sense for us to think of solutions for the future of our clients, or even ideas that are relevant in today's times by using creatives or a workforce that is stuck in the past.
To bring our culture to life, we've always had to heavily leverage technology to fill in the gaps. And in today's world, our business wouldn't work without Microsoft Teams.
Goes, okay, I'm bored, let's go. I suppose we have to mention Microsoft Teams.